Grubhub promo code how to use online. So if you want to use your Grubhub promo code online, it's very simple to do so, but you might not be finding the option. So if you want to apply a promo code on your Grubhub order, if you're using on browser or the mobile, the process is just the same. So you just have to follow the instructions. So basically what you have to do is you have to go to the checkout page of that particular order where you want to apply a promo code. Here you can see that I'm already on a checkout page. Now I'm sure you already know how to order, add the items to your cart, and when you're on the checkout page it will ask you to enter your payment information, right? So it is under this payment information you can see one of the options that says add a promo code. So if you have got a certain promo code that you would like to apply, just click on the add a promo code option and you simply have to enter that promo code right here based on what it is. Click on the apply button. Depending upon the value of that promo code, you'll be successfully used to redeem this particular order and then add it to your orders list and give you a certain amount of discount based on the value of the promo code. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically apply promo code online on Grubhub. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.